good.
We can just edit this.
Just edit, yeah.
Sam can work magic.
Sam can work magic.
You need to have
I didn't see you over here. Good to see you.
I don't know, I should have thought about this more beforehand. And Mark shouldn't have stolen all my answers. Mark's talking.
Look at your eyes.
You look beautiful, Elliot.
Well, I'm not sure I'm going to come around.
Casual Greg. How have you got to know more about the gospel issue?
Take a seat, Greg.
Sit on this line.
Time for your talk.
I'm now Santa. I'm the bun.
I don't have anything else to say. You could just rant for the next 10 minutes and Sam will have to edit it.
What have you been learning about soil production?
Soil production?
Yeah. Tell us about soils and grass.
I think that's almost as, you know, soil's great. Soil's great stuff. I mean, it has plenty of qualities. You just want me to hydraulic properties. You have your sort of chemical properties so that affect, you know, the nutrient uptake of soil. It's really interesting. I think, you know, everyone should, you know, learn how to look after their soil properly. It's well worth the time and effort to learn because it's, you know, really interesting and everything from cation exchange to why, you know, why soils disperses. But Mark hasn't looked into it, and I would agree. Yeah. I'm sure Sam doesn't think so either, but Sam's got to edit this. That's our treasurer, by the way. Greggles!